Okay, yeah.
So there's my dog Maud,
Yep.
M-U-A-D, and then there's my brother, Dave Joe Daddy, or Gregor.
No.
I'll cut the recording until it goes to the good part of what Maud does. There, so you can tell. Oh, she was lying on his face 3 seconds ago until I pulled out the camera, of course, because that's how dogs work. Ouch! No bites. Oh, no bites.
Come on, Mom. Lay down. Lay down on me.
This angle here, she'll start to step on him.
I think it's time to go. Come on, Gregor. Is that cuddly in there, or is she too wild, Gregor?
I think she's cuddly enough.
Huh?
She's cuddly, he says.
Oh, what is that kid doing in there with you?
No swearing. I'm posting this on YouTube, maybe,
Oh,
or sharing it to Ethan.
oh my Maud. Oh my Maud. Oh my dog. Oh my dog.